Today's unboxing is on the recent Mini GT release. We have the pair of new tooling, which is the Mercedes-Benz 190E Evolution 2, the LBWK Nissan 35GT-RR in John Player Special Livery, and Lamborghini Urus in another colorway with roof box. And now let's take a closer look at the LB Silhouette Works GT Nissan 35 GT-RR in JPS livery. Really impressed by this 35 GT-RR in high gloss black. It's a totally different take from the China exclusive, which I shared previously, also in black. What really stands out is the classic John Player Special livery. The wheel sets looks fantastic. The deep dish rim together with the rubber tires looks really realistic for this mid-price range casting. The JPS gold keyline around the casting really make this one of the kind, and it will pass extremely well with the China exclusive, which I'm going to do a photo shoot later. The Lamborghini Urus in blue with a roof box. This casting is another variant of the previously released Lamborghini Urus in yellow. Premium details for this mid-price range category casting. Realistic stock wheel sets with the Lamborghini logo on the rim. The details are intricate for the rear. The roof box looks premium and in high gloss. Too bad we can't detach the roof box, perhaps due to safety concern. And the overall presentation for this Lamborghini Urus looks sleek and very high-end. The highly anticipated new tooling, the Mercedes-Benz 190E Evolution 2. What really surprised me is the missing license decal, unlike the pearl black variant, which I'm going to unbox later. If you got your 190E without the license decal, to give a shout out under the comment section below. I'd like to see if I'm the only one having this missing decal. The star is of course the front grille. Mini GT replicate the front of the 190E flawlessly. Details are on point, and I really like the classic Mercedes badge sticking out from the grille, which many makers choose to avoid. The basic body paint in silver is clean cut. Realistic wheel sets that rose extremely well. Deep and obvious door lines, together with details on the handle. The rear is equally impressive with the realistic plastic insert rear lights, together with the spoiler that looks aggressive. Not forgetting decent details for the metal base as well. Next, the Mercedes-Benz in pearl black in a new packaging. I believe this is just a regular release with whole new packaging. The casting never really popped out for this new packaging, and the black area is in spot varnish to make the logo pop out. I'm torn between the new and current packaging, and to let me know as well if you prefer this new packaging design under the comment section. License decal is present for this casting. I prefer the pearl black much better. It looks more classic and more fierce. Personally, I prefer the gloss black, just like the 35 GT-RR. I also prefer these current wheel sets over the previous version in silver. Similar details on the rear, but maybe it stands out more because of the body color that's in dark hue. The wheel set looks realistic and rose extremely well. Similar base as the silver variant. A very nice release from Mini GT. I still have some Mini GT feature coming right up, so stay tuned for more Mini GT unboxing. And remember to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks everyone. Bye.